So here's some interesting details. On the first floor, we have the exterior wall here, but on the second floor, the exterior wall is over here. So we have that little bit of an offset, hence that's why the steel beam is in there. But we also have this big overhang here. So the question there for the architect and builder is always, do we include that as part of the conditioned space, or do we push it out of the conditioned space? So Marcel's decision was to make it part of the conditioned space. So you can see the Siga My Vest here is already all put up, and it's going to be set to be rolled out after this gets all closed up. But notice here that on this wall, the large thermal break here, so that's 6 inches of EPS. That's compatible with the 6 inches that they're going to put on the wall insulation. And what happens is you actually have this LVL here, and you can see these ledger lock screws. But notice the bottom screw is at an angle there, and the upper screw is on the flat. And so what you're doing there is basically creating this horizontal screw at the top and this diagonal screw at the bottom, so it makes this little triangulated structural holding pattern that really stiffens up, or really gives a good bite on that ledger and allows you to go through that foam. So